Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start right now. Gather a 10 mm socket, flat screwdriver, gloves, and the replacement bulb or assembly. Once ready, park on level ground and open the hood. You don't need to remove the bumper. Reach the headlight housing and remove the visible screws or plastic clips that secure the trim. As you work, keep screws organized so reassembly is straightforward. Make sure to wear gloves when handling halogen bulbs to avoid oil transfer that shortens bulb life. Next, disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the release tab and pulling the connector straight back. Do not pry aggressively. If replacing a bulb, rotate or unclip the retaining ring and pull the bulb straight out to avoid breaking the base. If swapping the entire assembly, remove additional mounting bolts and carefully extract the unit from its slots. Compare the old bulb or assembly to the new one to confirm fitment, and transfer rubber seals or dust cover. Now install the new bulb or assembly. Seat it squarely, secure the retaining ring or bolts, and reattach the dust cap and wiring connector. Once everything is snug, reconnect the negative battery terminal and test low and high beams plus turn signals. If the beam looks misaligned, loosen adjustment screws and set the aim per spec. Small changes make a big difference. If the light flickers or fails, stop and check the headlight fuse. Ensure the connector is clean and tight, and confirm you use the correct bulb type.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.